Welcome back to Beauty and Beyond Skincare in Houston, where your beauty is our priority. We have Dr. Shirley with us. She is an OB-GYN doctor, and she's going to share her reviews and what does she feel about Beauty and Beyond Skincare with us. Dr. Shirley, how long you have been coming here?
I've been here for the last 6 years since
Okay,
I've moved
that's
here.
good. Yeah. So I'm glad that you have been coming here for this long time. And I know that you are a professional, you are very busy, and you have hectic life. And how do you see importance of doing skincare services like facial in your day-to-day and a professional life?
Yes, uh, because I interact with so many patients, it's certainly nice to give a good first impression. Now that the masks mandate are off, I will see patients face to face much more often than I did during the pandemic, and so I think it's good to put a fresh, friendly smile on. And certainly during the pandemic, when we had to wear masks all the time, I was so very grateful that Vishali was around to keep my skin looking good, because I had the same problem that probably many people had with the constant mask, both in the office and as well as in the operating room. My skin got really dry and my acne really acted up during that time. So facials were key.
Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up. Yeah, that was a new thing that happened uh, thanks to COVID, because everybody had to use masks for their personal protection and for the protections of others. Yeah, it did give another condition, mask acne, so
Mm-hmm.
if you say that. But yeah, those are the things that. And did you start doing facials or coming to Beauty and Beyond because you had any skin concerns or you just wanted to maintain?
Well, actually, both. I was never a facial kind of person, but my good friend, who had been seeing Vishali for many, many years, had such great skin. I'm like, well, if she goes to Vishali, maybe I should go too. And, as a woman that is about to turn 50, I thought that it was a good time when I moved here 5 years ago to take a preventative approach to my skincare. And so Vishali became part of that approach.
Yeah, that's good. That's as you know, in our medical field, we always say that prevention is always better than
Mm-hmm.
cure. So I'm glad that you're setting an example where people, there is misconception. I would say that people think that, oh, I don't need to do facial until I have some issue,
Right.
which is not true, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Correct.
so I'm glad you're doing that. If I had to ask you, what do you like about Beauty and Beyond Skincare Center? What would you tell?
I think that the staff here is fantastic, extremely friendly. Whenever I have a scheduling issue or a problem, everyone, not just Vishali, but everyone is so ready to help make those adjustments for me. Especially with my busy work schedule, I tend to come here after working all night, and so I definitely look forward to coming to see Vishali to give me a relaxing facial as I wind down my day after being up all night.
That's true. Yeah, I mean, I can understand. You're you're a professional, and your schedule is never the same because it depends on the client. I mean, the patient that come to you. But yeah, for that we try to do that, and that's the main reason why we like to see clients by appointment, so we can assign that time for you
Mm-hmm.
and pay full attention while you are here. What difference have you felt after you started coming to Beauty and Beyond Skincare Center as far as your skin and overall experience?
Yes. Overall, I think that my skin is certainly much better than it used to be. Where I came from, it was up north in Pennsylvania, and so I felt like my skin was very dry. Just coming here with the change in weather, it was nice to have someone guide me through the new things that I had to do, or look at my skin in a different way using different products, but also just keeping up with those changes both through summer as well as through winter here.
All right. Thank you very much, doctor, for your feedback and your time. We never appreciate your feedback.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please come.